Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. And topic is global solidarity for humanity. Humanity has been trapped by criminal mastermind, which is causing artificial global poverty and artificial global famine, as well as igniting terrorism and then followed by ruthless genocide and holocaust. Some are in slow motion while others are fast motion. Instead of fixing global poverty and global famine first, world has moved towards ruthless genocide and holocaust of minorities or those who don't have any power to defend themselves. Global people from all around the world must join together to save humanity from ruthless genocide holocaust, whether it is in slow motion or fast motion. Before it was Jewish community by who had gone through ruthless genocides in very, very fast motion. And perhaps now it is with the Muslims all around the world. Look at the history of Aboriginals who are almost wiped out and his history now. Who knows they are the next in line. Terrorists have no religion and they are trying to their best to wipe out one group at a time. And you will be lucky if your neighbor is true Buddhist, Christian, Hindus, Jewish, Muslims, etc., since they love humanity and do not drive anyone out of their home. But if they are true Christian, true Buddhist, true Hindus, true Jewish, true Muslims, they love their neighbors. Saving a life without any discrimination like save whole world. Reference Al-Quran, chapter 5, verse 32. No one has right to force, including their spouses. Although Muslim men are allowed to marry women of the people of the book who believe in one God, but they are not allowed to force their wives to change their religion. No Muslim is Muslim if she does not help her neighbors. All the religion, faith, belief teaches to save humanity, which cannot be without joining together for global solidarity for humanity. And stand firm together, otherwise they might be wiped out one after another. Give to the near kin his due, and also to the needy and the welfare and immigrants, and do not squander your wealth wastefully, for those who squander wastefully are Satan's brother, and Satan is ever ungrateful to his Lord. Reference of Quran, chapter 17, verse 26 to 27. For there will never cease to be poor in the land. Therefore, I command you, you shall open wide your hand to your brother, to the needy, and to the poor in your land. Bible, Book of Deuteronomy, chapter 15, verse 11. Whoever is generous to the poor lends the Lord, he will repay him for the deeds. Bible, Book of Proverbs, chapter 19, verse 17. For the commandments, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not murder, you shall not steal, you will not covet, and any other commandment, and summed up in this world. You shall love your neighbors as yourself. Bible, chapter Romans, verse 13, chapter 13, verse 9. We invite you all to join together for global solidarity for humanity without any discrimination. Road workers are those who don't promote or support. Media must play an active role regularly on bringing good guys in their program for free. Let us join together to build heavenly earth without any discrimination, which cannot be without joining together for global solidarity for humanity and build heavenly earth. Thank you.